A team of Manipur police led by City Police Officer in charge Sudhir sensitized people on COVID safety measures at Kwaramban Market this morning. The police spread awareness on importance of wearing face mask and following government laid down COVID-19 SOPs to contain the pandemic. Manipur's COVID-19 total infection tally now has increased to 29,561 with 21 new cases registered in the past 24 hours. The fresh cases were reported from Imphal West, Thoubal, Bishnupur, Churachandpur and Ternopal districts. With no fatality reported in the same hours, the state's death toll remains at 376, said the COVID-19 Command Control Room. The state's COVID-19 active cases are 133, while 29,052 persons have been recuperated so far. The recovery rate stands at 98.27%. India today reported 2,739 new COVID-19 cases and 1,038 deaths in the last 24 hours. As per the Union Health Ministry of Family and Welfare, the country's caseload increased to 1,40,74,564. As Delhi continues to record a surge in coronavirus cases, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will be meeting Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal today to discuss the COVID situation in the national capital. Kejriwal has repeatedly said that he doesn't favor the imposition of lockdown to stem the rising infections. However, if the health situation in the city collapses, he would be forced to do so. COVID-19 scenario in Assam has worsened with as many as 3 deaths owing to the infection were reported yesterday. While one of the deceased persons hailed from Kamrup Metro District, another hailed from Hojai and one from Dibrugarh, reports added. Assam's COVID-19 death toll has risen to 1,122, according to the COVID-19 bulletin increased by the Assam Health Department. Moreover, Assam has registered 385 fresh COVID-19 cases. Assam Manipuri Christian Association organized a one-day seminar on Manipuri Christian in Assam, Emergence and Development yesterday at South Barak Conference Hall in Kashar, Lakhipur. All Assam Manipuri Christian Association President Elder Nongthombam Rajkumar Singh, Advisor Pastor Ahongbam Jbds Singh and others were participated in the seminar.